Dothan Towers, 10 Charlie, holding short, 14, ready for departure.
Runway 10 Charlie, runway 14, clear for takeoff, left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, left traffic, 10 Charlie.
Dothan Tower, Endeavour 5061 is on about a 10-mile left base, visual 14.
Endeavour 5061, Dothan Tower, and I got traffic and left closed, report turning final.
Alright, we'll report on the final, Endeavour 5061.
Runway 10 Charlie, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear to land, 10 Charlie.
You're inside the regional jet. He's still left base, but he's approaching about a 6-mile, 7-mile final.
Alright, you want me to shorten this up?
Nope, just letting you know he's there.
Alright, appreciate it, 10 Charlie.
Endeavour 5061, the Cherokee's in the left base for about a 1-mile final.
Alright, Endeavour 5061, we copy that. We're turning just inside the final approach fix here on the final for 14.
Endeavour 5061, number 2, runway 14, clear to land.
Alright, number 2, clear to land, 14, Endeavour 5061.
Runway 10 Charlie, turn right at Delta, runway 14, taxi Alpha.
Turn right at Delta, 10 Charlie.
Lab course 850, runway 14, taxi via Alpha.
14 via Alpha, lab course 850.
Big jet behind me.
Caravan 934, Foxtrot Echo, Dothan ground, clear to Tallahassee is filed, maintain 2000, expect 5000 within 10 minutes, Cairns departure 125.4 and squawk 5541.